Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10 easy lines on doctor. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, doctors help sick people get better. Second line is, they work in hospitals and clinics. Third line is, they check our health. Fourth line is, they give us medicine. Fifth line is, they use tools like stethoscopes. Sixth line is, they perform surgeries to fix injuries. Seventh line is, they study a lot about the body. Eighth line is, they help people of all ages. Ninth line is, they give advice to stay healthy. Last line is, we should thank doctors for their help.